My name is Ben Beasing, Technology Development Representative for Bayer Crop Sciences in western Missouri and eastern Kansas. Today, we are here at our Market Development Research site near Rich Hill, Missouri in southwest Missouri. On site, we have approximately 80 acres of research looking at corn and soybean genetics, new traits expected soon such as XtendFlex soybeans, various new seed treatments and biologicals, different agronomic systems trials, and much more. In addition, a few miles up the road, we have approximately 70 acres looking at different corn by density interactions as well as corn by fungicide application interactions, and a few trials supporting our digital ag platform, Climate Field View. Let's go have a look at some of the research we have here. "2020 is our 5th year conducting research at our Market Development Research site in southwest Missouri. Over the past 5 years, the amount of research and the complexity of the trials we have placed here have increased to get us to where we are today. Each year has brought different challenges with it that have resulted in unique, localized results representative of southwest Missouri. Much like 2019, this year we started off extremely wet and carried that pattern with us through spring, but quickly turned off hot and dry unlike last year, with accumulated precipitation for the month of June and the first part of July totaling less than 3 inches. The site has started to show signs of stress from the drought and excessive heat. The trial we are flying over now is our traditional market development hybrid trial, where we have hybrids ranging in maturity from 100 day to 116 day, from DeKalb, Lewis, Channel, as well as some key competitive products for the area. This year, we have taken this trial and split it into 4 equivalent sections, each encompassing all hybrids. 2 of these sections or replications will be sprayed with Bayer's new triple active ingredient fungicide, Delaro Complete, at the R1 growth stage using a high clearance sprayer, and the other 2 replications will be left untreated. At the end of the year, we will get our traditional hybrid to hybrid comparison, but we'll also get a better understanding of how each of our products performed under the unique conditions of 2020, both treated with Delaro Complete and untreated. Our goal with these trials is to drive as much localized product data to better help position and place new and existing products on the farm in southwest Missouri. This trial is very similar to a trial we had at this site in 2019, with the addition of more hybrids this year as well as the additional replications of treated and untreated. In 2019, this trial averaged 202 bushel to the acre, with Delaro providing a 21 bushel an acre advantage across all hybrids. As we move into this back section of corn, we have multiple research trials located within it. 2 trials in this block are corn seed treatment trials, where we are looking at various formulations of fungicides, insecticides, and biologicals in the seed treatment platform in corn. Also in this block we have some agronomic systems trials looking at different fertility practices, fungicide applications, and plant densities in corn all coupled together. Treatments range in this trial from in-furrow fertilizer applications to R1 fungicide and foliar fertilizer applications, all at different plant densities. Another exciting trial we have on site this year that you can see here is a newer concept in corn production, looking at shorter stature corn plants relative to corn that we are used to growing. This particular trial looks at this new concept coupled with a plant density and fungicide interaction. This is our first look at this new concept in southwest Missouri, so stay tuned for more updates on this trial. Jumping over to the soybeans, we have a lot of research going on in soybeans as well. Here we are looking at our breeder pre-commercial trial, looking at new varieties to come in a replicated small plot format. This trial has nearly 100 different varieties in it, ranging in relative maturity from an early 4 all the way up to a late 4 and early 5. We also have a competitive trait platform trial here, where we have stacked up multiple trait offerings in soybeans, getting a good comparison of the genetics from each platform. This is a replicated small plot trial as well, And new to this trial this year is a fungicide interaction piece that we have built in, looking at soybean variety response to an R3 fungicide application. We also have a few different seed treatment trials in soybeans, looking at different formulations of fungicides, insecticides, nematicides, and biologicals. Lastly, in this back section of soybeans, we have a few different agronomic systems trials, looking at different fungicide timings in soybeans, as well as the addition of different nutrient products in a foliar application. That brings us to our last trial here, and one we are very excited about. These are our new XtendFlex soybeans expected soon. We have a total of 25 XtendFlex varieties in this trial this year, from Asgrow, Lewis, and Channel, and as well as a few Xtend products and competitive products, all spanning a maturity from early 4s to late 4s and early 5s. This will be our third year with XtendFlex products at this site. Similar to our corn trial here, we have split this trial into 4 sections and are adding an agronomic management piece to the trial this year by applying fungicide to 2 sections of it at the R3 growth stage. This will give us another good look at these new varieties in southwest Missouri, and also give us a good look at our superior genetics and a higher management scenario with that fungicide application. Stay tuned for more updates on this trial, as well as many other trials here. Thanks for taking the time today to take a quick tour of our market development research site in southwest Missouri, and be sure to follow us for more updates and videos in the future.